Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Indian Dev, and I am Ayush. So guys, in this video we're gonna talk about React.js. That what is React.js, why it is so popular, and what's the reason behind its popularity, or we can say like in the previous video we have discussed that it is the most popular JavaScript library, and that is being used for front-end development by the developers throughout the world. So we need to know that why it is so. Like, if I just wanted to share with you that what is React in a single statement, then I would say that React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Yes, it is a library, not a framework. So we need to know that there is a difference between a framework and a library. So with React we cannot like develop the whole web application. We can only build the user interfaces. The React is only developed to use, or we can say build user interfaces. User interfaces is just kind of UI, the view that we like see on the websites. And the best thing about React is it is a JavaScript library. So this library, or we can say the code that we will write in React.js, that will be running inside our browser, and that means it will be faster than the like interfaces that we receive from the from backend or from servers. So yes, like it will be fast enough to run inside a browser. So if I go back to this React.js official website, that is reactjs.org, and here also you can see that a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. And as I mentioned that it is developed by Facebook, and it is having a lot of developer support. Like if I talk about the Stack Overflow questions, then you will find all the solutions to your problem. I can say the very basic problems, or we can say the medium level problems. You will find the solutions of everything with React. So let's see how this React official website defines the React.js. So it says that React is declarative. React is component based, and React is like you need to learn once and you can write anywhere. So what does it mean? We need to define. It is declarative. We all know declarative views make your code more predictable. And declarative in the sense React is kind of efficient. It know that which components needs to be rendered. And the thing about that React is component based. So if you are working on React, then you must have this thought in your mind that onto any website you are looking on, whether it is YouTube, whether it is Instagram, where it is whether it is this React.js official website, everything is a component in the website. So if you look at this website, you can find that this is the header component, this is like kind of cover picture, and these are the some descriptive uh, we can say components. You can look at this, like these are the same. So we can break a whole website into some small components, and we can work on the components. You can think about that that a website cannot be created at once. It can be started from developing the minor components. Like firstly, while developing this React.js official website, they have developed this header, then this cover, and then rest of the things. So yes, React is component based. And the next thing is, like if you are learning React, then you can it's not like that you can only build the web apps. You can also work on the mobile applications. That is, like you can build Android applications with React. You can build iOS application with React. And they are having this React native library, which is used to build the mobile applications that also uses React. So it will be a good thing to learn React. So another thing is the question, that is why React.js is so fast in terms of development, and why people are preferring this React.js. So React.js uses a concept known as virtual DOM. So if you guys don't know about the DOM, like if I can inspect here, you can see here. Let me okay. So here you can see that this is the document type HTML. So this is the HTML document that is being rendered on your browser. So this whole document contains some of the data, and like this data and this document as a whole known as the document object model. So like previously, like before React, if I need to change this heading, or we can say this title, then I need to like refresh the whole our HTML document to show the differences, or we can say changes on the web browser. But React manage this kind of stuff, or this kind of updates like very smartly. It only updates the div, or we can say the component that needs to be changed. Rest of the thing will be the same, so it will not take like much time in terms of the updates on the UI. And as we know that it is a JavaScript library, and so it will be running all around your browser. So like if you can see here, if I go on to the documents section, then it's not like refreshing the whole page. It is just like toggling this component. Like if you can see here, yeah, like I'm going on the tutorials, then the only the path is changing and this component is changing, not the whole website. So this is the thing that makes React.js more like scalable and fast in terms of development. Why it is scalable? So for that, we already know that it is component based, so we can add a lot of components into a website. We can have a lot of pages this documents, tutorial, blog, community, etc, etc. So yes, like this was all about the React, why it is popular, why it is fast, why is all the developers are choosing this React.js thing. So yes, like it was all about React.js definition. And as I mentioned that from now onwards we will be thinking any website into the components. Like any website can be splitted up into several components, it can have a header, it can have a menu bar, it can have the title, if it's a blogging site, then it can have a title, it can have a content body. So yes, like we can simply split all the contents into the components for a website. So yes, it was all about the React.js, what is React.js. And if you guys are really like this video, or you understand that what is React and why it is so popular, then please make sure to like this video. By liking this video, you are helping me to post more videos regarding React.js. And if you like the content, or if you like the video, then it will reach out to more developers out there in the world. So yeah, please make sure to like this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you very much.